Hello, Kuya Freddy and Ate Dulce. Sana all kinakasal. Best wishes to both of you. May God bless your marriage and good luck to your new journey. God bless. Hi, Mami. Hi, Tito. We love you so much. I love you. Congratulations.
Hello, Lola.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
We love you.
I love you.
Lola, we love you. Lola.
Don't stay up.
Hello, Hello, Papa. Happy birthday. Congratulations. Hi, Papa. Hi, Tita. Ako lang to. Happy birthday. Best wishes. Sana magtagal kayo forever. I love you both so much. Bye-bye. I love you. Happy birthday. Congrats, Papa. Bye-bye.
Ayan. Oh, hello, ate and kuya. First, happy birthday, Kuya Freddy. And congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Good luck sa inyong mga adventures and enjoy your life. Stay happy and in love. I love you both. Bye! Ayan.
Hello! Merry Christmas! Happy birthday! Happy wedding! Oh, masaya na. Okay. Enjoy! Congratulations! Best wishes!
Once again,
Hello, Tito and Tita. Congratulations po. We love you so much. And happy birthday, Tito, as well. Thank you.
Hello, Papa. Ako ulit. Happy birthday. I love you. Bye. Hello, Papa. Happy birthday. Hi, Tita. Best wishes. I love you both. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye. Sabi nga. Dali. Dali ba message to? Happy birthday, Papa. I love you. Tita, congrats.
Hi, Mami. I love you, Tito. I love you, Mami. Thank you for everything. We love you so much. We're gonna have a happy family, all of us. Thank you for everything. We are so blessed to have you. That's all. Paano to i-post? Paano to i-post? Hindi ko na alam, Mami.
do you accept the challenge na
Congratulations po sa wedding nyo.
Congratulations po.
Witness.
Best wishes po. Congrats po. God bless.
Best wishes po.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Hi, Kuya. Best wishes. Congratulations. Sana magustuhan niyo yung gift ko. Ilang araw ko din pinaghirapan yon. Dapat last na to Joke lang. Congrats. Ingat kayo palagi. Bye-bye. I love you both.
Hello! Congrats! I love you both and happy birthday, Papa! Love you, congrats!
Oh, congratulations. Oh, ganun lang.
Yun.
Hi, Tito and Tita. Congratulations. And
So
we
happy
wish
for
you the best in your married life. Ayun, congrats po. Love you. Okay na yun.
Hi! Yung boses ko. Tapos na kasi event, di ba? So ngayon lang ako in-invite para magbigay ng message dito. Pero kanina in-announce ko naman to. Oo. Pero sana marami nag-message sa inyo dito. Congratulations and best wishes. And kagaya nung sinabi nyo nung meeting natin, I think this is the last one. Di ba? Magmahalan kayo hanggat kaya nyo. Ayan. Hanggat kayo ay hindi na masyadong makalakad, mag-aalalayan pa rin kayong dalawa. Siyempre, again, best wishes and congratulations.
Hi, Tito. Happy birthday, Tita. Tita, Tito. Congratulations. Sana mas lalo nyo pang mahalin ang isa't isa. Lalo na ngayon, blessed na yung pagsasama nyo. Love na love namin kayo. And thankful kami sa pagmamahal nyo dalawa. Love you, love you. Congrats.
Congrats po!
Hello? Hi! Hello, Papa! Happy birthday!
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Tito Wisel, Papa!
Best wishes.
Best wishes.
I love you.
I love you!
Okay.
Yeah, I'm excited, Pop. Ilibadidera, ilibabidera. Bye-bye.
Hello po? Hello? Hello? Ay, wala sumasagot eh. Sapi. Ay, hello. Ay, Tito Freddy, Tita Dulce. Congratulations. Best wedding. Sana, samahan yung isa't isa forever and ever. Huwag niyong iiwan ang isa't isa. Lagi kayong magtutulungan. And, yan. Laging nandito lang ang family sa likod ninyo. Yun lang. And congratulations again. And see you all on our Christmas party reunion. Bye-bye!
Hi pa. Hi tita. Or, should I call you mommy na? Ayun, very happy ako. And I really hope na maging forever na ito. Lalo na for you, Papa. Pangatlo man na to. And I know this will be your last. And Tita Dulce, welcome to the family. I love you both. And sobrang tutuwa ako na nagkakaroon na kayo ng healthy living sa mga buhay-buhay nyo. Tinigil na ni Papa ang pag-yosi niya at ang pagka-alcohol. Pero, ayun, sana magtuloy-tuloy. And, yeah, love you both. Congratulations. Happy wedding sa inyo and happy birthday, Papa. Love you.